The LYRIQ paves the way for Cadillac's all-electric future. It sets the tone for Cadillac's design language moving forward. It's effortless, it's simple, and it's refined. LYRIQ harmoniously blends sculpted surfaces, fluid lines, and next-generation technologies.
Creating LYRIQ is just a chance of a lifetime to lead a team that is extremely passionate and creative.
We knew that we were working on something really special when we started to give luxury EVs a soul.
This is going to be one of the most fun to drive vehicles that I've ever worked on.
There's nothing about it that doesn't captivate me. When we get aligned behind a task and a mission and a vision, we can accomplish just about anything.
Never forget, fellow traveler, that you are here, that life exists, that the powerful play goes on, and you will contribute a verse. Introducing Cadillac LYRIQ.